The Maps module allows administrators to create and maintain important zones, routes, and locations, such as hospitals and shelters, within their app. Users are provided with the real-time information required to safely evacuate an area. Let's start by creating a map zone. A zone helps define the perimeters of important areas on your map. To begin, select Maps from the left-hand menu. In Map View, select the zone icon. Please note, you can also create a new zone by clicking the Create button in the top right corner. Start by clicking on the map to place a starting point. Add as many points as needed around the desired area. Press Escape on your keyboard at any time to cancel your selection. Once your zone has been defined, click back on the starting point to close the zone border. Use the panel on the right to edit the zone's properties. Add the zone name and select Show or Hide under User Visibility. Show means that the users are able to see the zone on their map within the app. Hide means that users cannot see this zone on the map within the app. Then set the current condition for the zone, normal, alert, or create a custom condition by selecting Create Zone Condition. If you have selected Create Zone Condition, add the condition's name and choose a color for it, and then click Create. The color of the zone on the map will change depending on its set condition. Red means alert, green means normal, and your chosen color refers to the custom zone condition you have created. Now back to adding zone properties. Add a description in the box if necessary, and then use the tools on top of the text box to change the font, add bulleted or numbered lists, insert photos or videos, and more. And finally, click Publish at the bottom of the screen. From the list, select Publish to add the zone to users' devices, or Save as Draft to save your changes without publishing. And you are done. Publish Zone will instantly appear within the Maps app on users' devices.